Children, everyone want to lead good life, isn't it? Want excellent life. They dream about this and they try also. We have capacity also. Everyone has capacity to fulfill their dreams. Because when we are awake or in the sleep, we'll be work according to our dreams, isn't it? That means we all have the ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆ ಇದೆ, ಮೇಧಾಶಕ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್, ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲಗಳು ಇವೆ. ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ವೈ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ, isn't it? It is not developed country. Like America we call developed country, right? Ours is developing country. Why? When we have all this talent, knowledge, resource, everything is there, still we are not what? Come to that place. Which one? Developed country. Why it is not? Where we are missed? ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪಿದ್ದೀವಿ? What is the deficiency? What is the fault to reach to a destiny? These are the questions in our mind, isn't it? In your mind, isn't it, children? So Rashtrapati Abdul Kalam avaru, he has given answer to that. What answer he gives? Very simple. See dream. The dream should not let you sleep. That kind of dream, not aram se see the dream and sleep. The dream which you see, the dream means that is your aim, right, children? Kanasu kaniri, kanasugalu, it gives you the past, present, future. It gives you the experience of bhuta, bhavishya, vartamana. Bhuta, past, bhavishya, future, vartamana, present, right? And it gives you the message. It will inspire you. See the dreams, how much valuable dreams it is. So that he says that, see the dreams. In this dream, our India future is there. And mankind. And it gives the peace to the country. And it really, a real victory means you have to see the right dream, work for that and achieve your target. That is his message through this lesson. What is the lesson name? Kanasu Mattu Sandesha. Just see that exactly translated in Kannada office about the dream. Kanasu Kaniri. Easy, no, to understand? Not explanation is not required. ಕನಸುಗಳು ಯೋಚನೆಗಳ ರೂಪ ತಳೆಯುತ್ತವೆ. ಯೋಚನೆಗಳು ಅಂದರೆ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಯೋಚನೆಗಳು ದಿ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಯರೂಪಕ್ಕೆ ಇಳಿಯುತ್ತವೆ. ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಇನ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್. ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಎಸ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಟು ಅಸ್. ಅದು I will read the lesson, children. You also read along with me. Keep pencil in your hand and write the meaning wherever I say. ಅದು 2001 ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ 30 ನಾನು ಜಾರ್ಖಂಡ್ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ರಾಂಚಿಯಿಂದ ಬೊಕಾರೋಗೆ ಪ್ರಯಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕರೆದೊಯ್ಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಹೆಲಿಕಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಭೂಸ್ಪರ್ಶ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೆನ್ನುವಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾರೀ ಸದ್ದಿನೊಂದಿಗೆ ನೆಲಕಪ್ಪಳಿಸಿತು. ಅದರ ಇಂಜಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ದೋಷ ಕಾಣಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿತು. ನಾವು ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಅದೃಷ್ಟ ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪವಾಡ ಸದೃಶ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬದುಕಿ ಉಳಿದೆವು. ಅಂದು ದೇವರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆವೋ. ಆ ಅನಿರೀಕ್ಷಿತ ಆಘಾತದ ನಡುವೆಯೂ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ನಿಗದಿತ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಿದೆ. ಮೊದಲೇ ನಿಗದಿಯಾದಂತೆ ಬೊಕಾರೋ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ಉದ್ದೇಶಿಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದೆ. ಎಸ್, ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಓಲ್ 3 paragraph I read now, here is say ನಾನು it's coming. Who is this Nanu here? Nanu means I. Who is that? APJ Abdul Kalam. Why it has come like this? Because it's his autobiography. He wrote the incident, what happened in your life, like a maintaining diary will write, no, autobiography. That's why it's come here, Nanu, right? He's writing directly that what are the incidents happened in his life. In 2001 September, he was traveling to Jharkhand, Ranchi. Ranchi means you'll remember the cricket player. Who's that? Dhoni, right? Yes. So ಬೊಕಾರೋಗೆ ಪ್ರಯಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. He was going there. ಸೊ ಹೆಲಿಕಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಇನ್ನೇನು ಭೂಸ್ಪರ್ಶ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಭೂಸ್ಪರ್ಶ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ಭಾರೀ ಸದ್ದಿನೊಂದಿಗೆ, ಭಾರೀ ಸದ್ದು ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಶಬ್ದ ಮಾಡ್ತು ಲಾಂಚಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ. ಮೇ ಬಿ ಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎಂಜಿನ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೋಷ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೋಷ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ನಿರ್ದೋಷ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಪ್ಪಡಿಸಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊಂತು. ಅವಾಗ ಇವರಂತ ಈ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್. ನಾವು ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಅದೃಷ್ಟ ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಆರ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಲಕ್ಕಿ. ಅದೃಷ್ಟ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಲಕ್ಕಿ. ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಟು ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದುರಾದೃಷ್ಟ, ಅನ್ಲಕ್ಕಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಜ, ಟ್ರೂತ್, ರೈಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಟು ದ್ಯಾಟ್? ಸುಳ್ಳು, ರೈಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪವಾಡ ಸದೃಶ. ಪವಾಡ ಸದೃಶ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಿರಾಕಲ್. ಪವಾಡ ಸದೃಶ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಮಿರಾಕಲ್ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬದುಕಿ ಉಳಿದೆವು. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಏನೂ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬದುಕಿದ್ರು. ಅಂತೂ ದೇವರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆವೋ. ದೇ ವರ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ಗಾಡ್. ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? Thankful. Opposite to that, kritagna. Only this gna is there, no? That letter has to be changed. Gna. Gage navattu baribeku. Kritagnate, kritagna. Opposite. Okay? Thankfulness. Okay. So then what happened, you see? They were under shock, right? Abba in salpa agidre, they would have died, no? That moment, it was so danger. So they were relaxed. And heartbeat will be there, right? That you will be under shock. Still you are not relaxed mood, isn't it? So if we are in that place, means we'll take relax, we'll tell to 101 people, message, call. In that only day will go, isn't it? You know, so and so happened anta. But what has Abdul Kalam ji done? See, anirikshita, it was not expected. Anirikshita means what? Unexpected. Nirikshita, expected. Anirikshita, unexpected. Opposite. Apagata means accident. Naduveyu ನಾನು in this unexpected accident, incident madhyeyu, the program was already fixed. What was the program? He has to go and speak in that program. Who are the thing listener there? The students. He loves students much. He always motivate and encourage the students because tomorrow's leaders they are. He always motivate and encourage. So whenever he get the chance to talk to the students, no, he never miss at any circumstance. Okay. So ನಿಗದಿತ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಿದೆ. Is continued. If we would have been in his place, means we would have not done, isn't it? But he has not done. It is already fixed. Nigadita means fixed. So the students, Bokhara students are waiting. I had to go and give a speech. So he spoke with the student. You know, students, this one, he give much importance to the work. That's why he told on his death, usually famous personalities, if they expire, they'll declare holiday. So what Abdul Kalam ji told, no, when if I expired during this period, no, any time, right, should not give leave. That should be a working day. Of course, we all worked on that day. Government has not declared the holiday. See, through this incident, you will come to know that how much importance he will give to his duty.